hair all crazy, Robbie?
Is my hair all messy?
No, dude. Just do your flip and go, your shake and go.
Okay.
Here we are, folks, at Snow Valley.
You don't even need ski school. Why do people even pay for ski school?
Yeah,
Because they're kids.
No one to teach them.
Because they didn't have a dad that already knows how to ski to teach them. Not everybody has a cool dad like you.
Hey, Jeffrey learned how to ski by himself.
Yeah, I brought him for the first time.
Yep.
Damn, you don't give me any credit, do you?
Sorry.
We're booking it down this way.
We're hauling. Robbie was hauling ice. The snow was melting right behind you.
Was it really?
Yeah, it was.
I don't think that's possible.
I was just seeing the snow was just going, whoosh, just sizzling into water when you went by that one part.
Yup. I believe it.
Dude?
Yup.
How did it just sit?
Ice, ice, baby.
Dun,
Ice,
dun, dun,
ice,
dun, dun,
baby.
dun, 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 dun.
Right on Jared, 6 minutes. About 6 minutes,
Look at
8
that.
minutes. Yeah.
Like seriously, I don't think I rode right by so fast that the snow did.
Here we are in Snow Valley, February 2nd, 2013. No, the world hasn't ended yet. It has just begun.
For real.
This is what it's all about. Nice weather, nice snow, nice company, and a chairlift, and sticks on your feet.
That's the Weeks People's chairlift.
That's the one you were going up.
Huh?
That's the one you went up.
Don't slow down.
No, we were over there on that, the beginning.
Imagine that, Robbie. That's the only thing I don't like about these.
Pop, drop, and lock it. Pop, drop, and lock it.
No, we're not that high. We won't die.
Yeah, back in '72, one of these chairlifts fell off on me.
Did it?
I landed on my head. What do you think would happen to me?
Got retarded.
I don't know. You got injured.
Believe that one? I got some swampland in Florida for sale.
No, did one literally break off on you?
No. I jumped off once in really deep snow
How do you know if it's really deep?
because there was a big snowstorm.
How deep were you in the snow?
I jumped off into about a 10-foot drop into about 5 feet of snow. It was like landed in a marshmallow fluff.
Oh yeah, because you have skis.
Hey, look at those jumps over there.
Probably a little more deeper if you didn't
I
have
haven't
skis.
seen any.
I gotta slap
That
those.
guy on the skis. Oh, I thought he was going to help.
He's good.
Yeah,
He's almost as good as me.
I think you need to be going faster. I think that's more of
I
a
want to see someone hit those jumps.
I'm gonna just speed down the way we were usually going because I don't want to get down really quickly.
How much more time do we got? We have an hour and 45 minutes.
And we might go some night ski.
There's a video I took of me just a little while ago holding the camera out coming down through there hauling ice, ice, baby.
Dun 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 dun. I can see how the snow melts behind you.
I'm telling you, there was fire on the ice behind you that one area you were going
No,
so
there
fast.
wasn't.
There was.
It didn't even melt, dude.
You were ice, ice, baby.
Is that really going fast?
Yeah, you were. Ice,
And-
ice, baby.
Video camera. We might go night skiing, that will be epic, but he's still thinking.
Why not, Robbie?
I know, he's still thinking about it. That's exactly what I said.
Let me think.
No.
Maybe.
No. Cry, baby. Let me hear you cry.
No.
Go ahead.
Cry.
If I cry, can we go night?
Cry.
If I cry, will we go?
I don't know. You gotta cry first.
Will you?
No, not necessarily.
No, don't stop.
Oh, we stopped again.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come down this double black diamond.
That's just a black diamond, dude.
Oh, yeah, it's a single black. Look at this kid. He's a sideways snowboarder. That's the new generation.
Go on.
That's called
Ballsy.
butt boarding.
He had some.
Can you see behind us? Ding 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 ding.
Dad,
Huh?
I want to go night skiing.
What? This isn't enough for you, Junior?
But I need
It's
to.
gonna get a lot colder at nighttime.
I'll put on extra jackets at nighttime.
You're tripping on that Nina ball.
It's gonna cost me another $36.
Please don't put any guilt trips on me for it. I just really want to have more
Here
fun.
comes a boarder. Ding 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 dig a dig 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 a wig dog.
Oh crap, he's taking the hard way down.
Black diamond in it.
You're gonna biff it.
Look at that snowball.
Gotta keep on walking.
He's pretty good going through those trees.
Oh, he's gone.
No, we didn't.
Oh crap, he's good.
Ding 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 dig a dig dig.
Dude, those are halfway grown trees and they're under.
There's the bottom looking down. There's the view. There's Big Bear Lake out over there in the distance.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what's it
I'll try to zoom in on it. Dee 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 dee. Ice, ice, baby.
We did put this water away. No, do not.
Aw, man, there's lots of amateurs getting on this lift. Whoa, see the chairlift bouncing? It stopped again. Doesn't get much better than this, folks.
Oh, someone said it. Maybe I got hit the jump.
Doesn't get much better than this.
It's the black diamond.
You know what? There's lots of ways down in between this dirt.
Right there.
What?
Right below us.
Oh yeah.
Alright, folks, we're almost getting here to the top of this chairlift ride.
Ride, Johnny, ride. The Busket Blast.
Robbie, your nickname for the day is?
It's
Robbie Ice.
Robbie Ice.
You are?
Rub Ice. He's Rub Ice.
You are Jammin' Jeffrey.
Jim and Jeffrey?
Yeah.
Show.
We be jammin', we be jammin'.
Look at all those amateurs out there. So small.
Robbie is born and bred in your genes. We just have to develop it.
Oh, that
That's a nice hiney slide. I bet you his butt's clean now. There's a little baby.
mush. Mush.
Oh, here comes this guy hauling ice. He looks like an accident looking for a place to happen.
Where?
In the yellow pants.
Oh. Oh. He's talking to his friend too.
He's videotaping.
He must be one of those professionals.
Nope.
Okay, folks. It's time to get off. Over and out.
Bye.
Peace out. Over now.
Ice baby.
Dun 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 dun.